This is me, but not me, and for free. That's right, consistent characters in Ideogram. It's easy, and this is the tutorial. Sign up to Ideogram, which is a brilliant image generator. It has a new feature. What is it? It's free, and you can choose and have a consistent character. And it may even be you. Let's try it out. It's free. So let's create your first character. Start by adding your face. I'm just going to upload it, and I just chose a photo of mine, and I need to describe what I want to see. When you're ready, click generate to see your creation. Okay, so I'm going to describe my prompt. So a woman smiling and taking a selfie with a bear, with a grizzly bear, and taking a selfie with a grizzly bear. The body, let's just say is my friend, body, grizzly bear. Okay, 10 character generations left, so you can still do it with other 10 characters. Imagine you have a story and you want to create different poses. This is the way to do it. So what am I going to choose? I'm going to choose ratio. I'm going to use it for the short on YouTube. So this is the ratio. I'm going to make it private. No, I can't make it private. Okay. So let's just generate and let's see what happens. Let's see how long it takes. I don't think it's going to take long. Let's check it out. It took like 20 seconds. Let's check it out. Fabulous. This is, wow. This is really fabulous. Oh my God. What do you think? I love the result. I'm just going to download it already because I'm so excited. I'm going to make a video out of this. Let's go back. There are a lot of things you can do. So you can download, you can retry if you didn't like. You can edit the image. I'm just happy with it. Let's see another one. Easy and brilliant. I told you, right? If I looked at these photos, I would say it were me. So again, if you like these videos, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, I have amazing playlists for everything you need, and everything is free. So check them out. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now.